about the time, because in competitive exams we all get a limit of doing our test paper, and in maths exam I think square is needed in every question. That's why it is necessary to do the square of any number is in less time. So I think we should start now. So first of all I have to take any number. So suppose I am taking 48 square. So what you have to do is first that what is the square of 8? The square of 8 is 64. As I am saying you again that you all should know the square of unit numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, because these numbers are necessary to know. The square of these numbers are necessary, and I think we all know it is not need to learn because we all are able to multiply one in our mind. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4 is very compulsory. If you don't know, so you just learn it, and it's really very easy. Now let's come to the trick. So what you have to do is you have to write the square of 8. So what is the square of 8? Square of 8 is 64. And after that you also have to write the square of 4, which is 16. Again, it is really very necessary to know the square of each unit numbers. Now let's come to the question. So 16, 64 comes in when we do the square of these both numbers. So what you have to do next is that you have to multiply 4 multiply 8 multiply 2. In short, I can write here that step 1 is that you have to find the square of both unit number. Square of unit numbers. Then what you have to do is that step 2 is you have to multiply. You have to do the multiplication of 4, 8, the unit numbers and the 2 square given here. So what you have to do, multiply So what you have to do, multiply. So let's do our step number 2, which we haven't done till now. So what you have to do is 4 multiply 8 multiply 2. 4 multiply comes 8, or you can do that 8 multiply 2. The number you find easy doing, you can do that. So 4 multiply 8 is 32, and then 32 multiply 2 is, how you can use, suppose 32 multiply 2. So you can do like 32 multiply 2, 2 4, 2 multiply 3 is 6. So it's come 64. Okay. So when you multiply all the three numbers, so what comes out? 64. So what you have to do now is that let's write down next step. As we multiply these three numbers, what we have done is that multiply both unit numbers and 2. Then what you have to do is, after multiplying these numbers, we got 64. So you have to write 64 here. And remember, you have to leave this unit place. Don't have to write anything here. That's why leave this place and continue from here. So step 3rd. Step 3, which is when we does the multiply of both unit numbers and 2, we have to add it with the squares we got in the add it with the value we got in step 1. So what you have to do, so you have to when we multiply, so you have to add it. What you have to add is the product which come after multiplying both units numbers and 2. You have to add it with the number we got in step number 1 or the value we got in step number 1. Remember, note or remember, you have to leave the unit place. Then after you can do this. So I have leave this unit place. So note this. So remember this. So now we have to add it as it is written here in step number 3. So I am adding it. So 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3, 1 carry and 1, 1, 2. So the value comes 2304. So this is our square of 48. So now I will erase these all steps. You can take a screenshot or you can write it in your any copy. So you can take a screenshot. Yes, I am taking the screenshot. Let's continue the video. So I am erasing these all steps. As we have done our all steps and we know the short trick, so now we will check whether this trick is working or not. So what we do is to check is, so first write 48 square is equal to 2304 as per this trick, remember. And now I will erase this all methods. So what we will do? We all know 48 multiply 48 we all will do. So you have to do this, but I need some space for doing this. For that reason I will do it somewhere else. 48 multiply 48. 8 is 64. As we done here also the squaring. 64. 6 goes in carry. Then 8 multiply this is 32. 32 plus 6. As 6 goes in carry, so 32 plus 6 is 38. Next is 8 multiply 4 which is 32. So 2 here and 3 in carry. 4 multiply 4 is 16, 17, 18, 19. Now we have to add 4. Then 8 plus 2 is 10, so 0, 1 carry. 10 plus 3 is 30, 3, 1 carry and 2, 3, 0, 4. So as you can see, this is a checking. So when we check this trick, we got the same answer here as we got here. So this way you can say, and we all can say that yes, this trick is working. So this is a small trick for you all in this video, and if you like the trick, so please like, and if this is useful for you to share with your friends, so they will also know the tricks that I taught here, and this is a very useful trick. So basically this is all for today. So if you like the video, so do like, share and subscribe, and till that, take care and bye bye.